Hi, welcome to the Latrisan channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and its name is Feet Rod Bearing. Here are the dimension for this part, and then let's make modeling part now. From the SolidWorks interface, let's start from front plane and make it normal too. Then click to the sketch, and I want to start from this circle. Start from this point and set the value to 48 mm. Then OK. Next, click to the circle, and I want to make the smaller one. Click the smart dimension to change the diameter value, and I want to set to 28.58 mm. Then for the next step, click to this line and click for construction, and it is to make the guideline. Click to smart dimension and set the value to 64 mm plus 19 mm. For the next step, click to this circle, and then make the diameter to 11 mm. Click apply. For the next step, and I want to make the diameter value to 25 mm. For the next step, set the distance from this point to this point, and it is 19 mm. For the next step, set the distance from this line, it is horizontal, to 30 mm. Click OK. For the next step, click to this circle, and I want to make this body to 38 mm. Apply. For the next step, click to this line and just start from anywhere, but it's close to the circle. Right click and click select. Press and hold the control button, then click to this line, then click to the circle. For the next step, make it a tangan. Apply. Press to this line, make the sword to same way. Press and hold the control button, then click to this circle and make it tangan too. Then I want to remove the unnecessary line. Make sure term to close it is selected, and then select to this line position. For the next step, and I want to make the mirror entities mirror but this guideline, and then select to this sketch. Oke. Then let's connect. Right click and select, and then click to the term entities to make the remove the sketch. Apply, and then let's give the thickness by click the feathers and go to the extrude wash. For the first one, for the base from this part modeling, and I want to set the value to 13 mm. Change the arrow by click the reverse, and then select area. Apply. Then click to the sketch, and I want to make an extrude wash, but change for direction and for direction 1, and I want to set to 3 mm, and then I want to active the direction 2 and set the value to 13 mm. You will see the preview will like this from this interface, and then okay. Well, for the next step, let's give this extrude wash by click the sketch and go to extrude, and I want to make the value it is 48 mm, mean to 13 mm from this batch thickness, and click to this sketch, then apply. Well, for the next step, when I want to give these strips to extrude wash to give this thickness, press, and we can start from a front plane and make it normal too. I'm sorry, go to right plane and make it normal too, then right click sketch, and then I want to start from this line, make sure from this point and join to this point from this body. Wow. Click a feathers and give the thickness to 11 mm. Then apply. Well, and I want to change the appearance by click this icon, and I want to select to this color, and then I want to change the surface for the several color. Press and hold the control button, then select area, which is to change the color. Ctrl 7 to make it the isometric view, and then I want to click to this. Well, click apply. I want to change to this color. Well, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. Then see you next time.